Hello, it's me Dipesh Pandey and my student ID is 20251027, and today I'm going to present you the assignment of web programming. And here is the overall files here, and you can clearly see the in this admin folder I have created a add category.php, add job.php, uh, applicant.php, archive job.php, categories.php, delete category.php, delete job.php, edit category.php, edit job.php, inquiries.php. If you have any inquiries, you can inquire from in the websites. Index.php, jobs.php, logout.php, register.php, user.php. In these CV sections, if you add any CV in the websites, you can clearly CV. You can also see the CV here, and here is the apply.php. Here, apply.php. Here is the career advice.php. Here is the contact.php. Here is the hr.php. Here is the index.php. Here is the it.php. Here is the jobs.php. Again, here is the sales.php, and here is the style.css. And in here you can clearly see the test folder, and here is the test file. I have created a test file for add category test.php, add job test, applicant tests, archive job test, calculator test is just for an example, categories test, delete category test, delete job test, edit category test, read job test, inquiries test, logout test. Now I'm going to show you some testing from here, and let's test some file. Let's test some file from here. In the report section, I have clearly put a screenshot of 12 tested file. Now from in this video section, I'm only going to show you a three testing, and after that I will show you the overall testing as well. And I tested the ads of test.php, and it's tested 100%. Now we test logout test.php. Now we test this. Logout test, and at last let's test this inquiries.php. Yeah, logout test.php is also testing 100%, tested 100%. Then it is, now we gonna test last this inquiries.test, and after this we are gonna testing overall 12 testing file. Now we are gonna testing overall 12 file here. uh, Inquiries test.php tested 100%. Now let's test this 12 testing file. Yeah, 12 testing file is all working properly. Now I'm going to show you the coverage report of this all 12 files, and here is the coverage report for this file. Yeah, now I'm going to show you the websites. Now first of all, let's enter in the table, database table. Username is student, password is also student, database is job. Yeah, you can clearly see the database is opening properly. Now we move to the websites, and here is my overall websites. In here is the home, jobs, career advice, contact, about us, login, register. In this home section, I only added in this home section. You can clearly see only a 5 jobs. Only a nearest closing date job will show in the home page. And in these jobs, in all jobs, you can see all the jobs here. Now let's log in as a admin. Let's log in as an admin. uh, Admin. Let's see admin panel is working properly or not. Yeah, you can clearly see I can log in as an admin, and here admin can add a jobs. Admin can also see the jobs, and admin can also see the applicant. I already apply as jobs, and you can clearly see applicants for IT support technician. uh, uh, Admin can see the inquiries and reply the inquiries as well, and admin can maintain the user accounts as well. Log out. Let's log out. Let's log in as a client now. A client can only add a job. This client have added 3 jobs, 1 2 3, and you can clearly see. Now let's log in as a client. No, let's log in as a staff. Staff can also add a jobs. Staff can also maintain a categories. Staff can see the inquiries and reply the inquiries. And let's log out. Let's apply for a one job. Let's apply for this marketing executive. uh, your name Dipesh Pandey. I can clearly cover. I don't have a coverage, so I'm just writing this, and I can here we put some. Let's put this. Yeah, yeah. Your application is complete. We will contact you after the closing date. And in this, let's log in as a admin once, and you can clearly see in the applicant sections the job is applied or not. Sorry, password is wrong. Sorry for that. And you can log in, and you can see in the job sections one applicant, marketing executive. Here you can clearly see the applicants. And let's see. You can clearly add a jobs from here. You can clearly add a category from here. Add category, just add at human. Let's add administrative. Yeah, you can clearly see the administrative is added. And you can clearly add a jobs from here as well. Here you can add a jobs. Let's add a IT code developer. I love salary, just location, just London. Yeah, after adding, you can clearly see the code developer. IT sector is let's inquiry. And here is the Pandey. Why this website is important. Let's send an inquiry, and let's log in from here. In this inquiry sections, you can clearly see the inquiry. Mark as complete. Yeah, this is my overall assignment, and here is the report sections. Here is the report. Here is the source code. Here is the source code. And this is my overall assignment. Thank you, Miss Sujita Parajuli ma'am, for giving me this assignment. And